Tandoori chicken chili chargha. I'm here to share this Southeast Asian recipe with you guys. They use a whole chicken, they slow cook it, and they put a beautiful marination to it, a kind of dry seasoning, a mix of dry seasonings and a fresh ingredient, and it comes so nice. I just wanted to share this spicy whole chicken recipe with you guys, just the way they do it back home. So take a look here. We have a whole chicken right here. Very easy step to do. Just make some deep cuts on the chicken on both sides. So first the breast part, and go as deep as you can. And here's the leg. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, just like that. We'll turn it and we'll get some cuts on the inner side as well. It's a spicy chicken recipe, guys. You guys will love it, I'm telling you. This is the whole chicken. That's how it looks. When you get it from the market, if it has the skin on, you can remove the skin. Try it with the skin, but I'm sure this chargha chicken comes without the skin. Very good. First thing, paprika powder on top of it. Since it's a chili chicken, right? It's gonna be spicy, okay? So let's go, let's make this. Here it is, at least one whole, the red chili, regular red chili powder, 1 whole spoon goes in here. Alright, this is the white pepper powder. We are using 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of white pepper powder. This is mace powder. At least half tablespoon goes on top of it. Alright, so onion powder, we will add at least half tablespoon of onion powder. Use nutmeg, it's awesome. 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. Putting all the ingredients on top of the chicken, right? Okay, here is our black pepper powder. We will add at least half tablespoon to 1 in here. This is all about spices, right? I'm using garlic salt. Add at least 2 tablespoons of garlic salt in here. Wow. Chili chargha, tandoori style chili chargha. It's gonna take 40 minutes and you'll be happy about it. Butter, I have put in microwaves so it's melted. I'm using at least 50 grams of salted butter. Wonderful. We'll take food color. I'm using orange. It's gonna pop up the whole chicken. So here you go. We'll add at least 1 tablespoon of orange food color on top of it. We'll take a lemon. Yes. We'll squeeze a lemon on top of this, half of it. Here's the magic. Let's mix this up. Every single thing. Let's make sure it's covering every single corner of our beautiful chili chicken chargha. Wow. Man, the juices. If you are craving for the chili chicken, try this recipe. The name said it. The chilies are in the name, right? So it's gonna be spicy, but it's gonna be deliciously spicy. It's not just burningly spicy. This chicken chili should be marinated in butter. I can tell you that. Or you can use ghee, which is unfiltered butter, but use regular butter. I mean, salted butter is much better option. Look at this chicken, guys. A whole chili chicken chargha right here. It's all marinated. It's all perfectly done. All with all the seasoning. What we are craving for it. Okay, leave this chicken. just like this right here for 20 minutes on a room temperature. In a 20 minutes time, we will turn on our oven at 450 degrees. So I'll see you guys after 20 minutes. Well guys, it's been exactly 20 minutes. This chicken has been sitting right here in our room temperature, the kitchen room temperature, right? So look at this. The butter is kind of drying out. It's all okay. The seasoning is all drying out. It's all okay. This is butter. When it heats up, it's gonna melt. We all know that, right? So here we pick up our chili chicken chargha, tandoori style. We'll put this right here on our baking sheet. Any baking sheet you use, but make sure you use a baking sheet which has a grill, so you can put it on the grill, so it has some space between in it. We'll take some butter right here again and just roughly put some butter on top of it, just like that. Take some water. We will add half liter of water right here, so it keeps the chicken moist. Alright guys, the moment of truth. We will put this in our oven at 450 degrees at least for 35 to 40 minutes. Let's go. Let's put this. And it goes right here, the Chargha chicken. And we will check back 3 minutes to be exact. Well guys, it's been 40 minutes. Take a look on this guy. Yum, yum, yum. It took literally an hour to make this whole recipe. Once you marinate it, put it for at least 20 minutes and then just for 450 degrees at least for 40 minutes, and this is what you will end up. Taste test, let's go. I'll pick up this whole chargha, put it right here. OMG, look at this. And see, okay, from the middle, and here you go. Look at these pieces. Wow, tender. Wow. Here you go, right here, whole breast. And I'll take this guy. Man, it's, oh yeah, it's juicy. It's not dry. That's good. Wow. Wow. It's great. Dip it in the sauce. Thank you so much for watching. Make this easy, simple tandoori chili chargha. For a woman, it's gonna take 1 hour to make this whole recipe. It's delicious, it's tasty, it's not bland. It's a little bit on the spicy side, but it's great. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Bye for now. I like this breast. Wow.